Ever feel like your eyes are on a permanent vacation from focus? Well, I found the perfect eye vitamins for those of us who've been staring at screens more than our loved ones. Stick around for the lowdown on Ocuvite Adult 50 plus. So let's talk about eye health. We all know we need it, but who has time to care? Enter Ocuvite Adult 50 plus, a simple no-fuss solution to keep your eyes from throwing a tantrum after a long day of screen time. I've been taking these for a while now, and honestly, they become part of my daily routine. First off, these soft gels are tiny, easy to swallow, and zero aftertaste, which means no weird surprises. They've packed in all the heavy hitters: lutein, zeaxanthin, omega 3s, and antioxidants. This is what helps protect your eyes from blue light, screen strain, and even the inevitable 3 p.m. eye twitch from staring at your monitor too long. After a week of taking these, I noticed my eyes felt less tired at the end of the day. Seriously, no more rubbing my eyes like I've just been through a hurricane. It doesn't promise some instant miracle, but rather supports long term eye health. If you're glued to your phone or tablet for hours, this is like a long term investment in your vision. It's not just about quick fixes, it's about building a solid foundation for your eye health. Ocuvite isn't just science backed, it's thoughtfully made for people who care about their eyes for the long haul, and for someone who spends more time looking at the screen than I should. I feel good knowing I'm doing something to protect my eyes every single day. So if you're tired of your eyes feeling like they're ready to retire early, Ocuvite 50 Plus is a no-brainer. Trust me, your eyes will thank you later. Don't wait till your screen time becomes your eye's worst enemy.